Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play FIFA 24 online, updated. Start by checking your internet stability, updating the game, and selecting a formation that fits your approach. Configure controller settings, adjust sensitivity, and enable advanced defending if you prefer tactical play. Practice basics in skill games, focusing on passing, timed finishing, and defensive positioning. These early steps build a reliable foundation for online matches and smoother matchmaking experiences. To play consistently online, concentrate on core mechanics like timed finishing, driven passes, and defensive jockeying. Spend sessions in skill games and online friendlies refining these actions until they feel natural. Train set pieces and corner routines to add reliable goal options for tight matches. Emphasize calm decision-making under pressure, and prioritize possession over frantic long balls when facing higher-ranked opponents. If you are enjoying the tips, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep sauces sealed and portions organized for tournament days or long sessions. They save cleanup time and make grabbing a healthy meal simple between matches. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Adaptation wins more matches than raw skill alone, so watch opponent tendencies early and tweak tactics accordingly. Switch to higher press or conservative depth based on opponent buildup and attacking width. Use substitutions to maintain stamina and change attacking patterns late in matches. Prioritize controlled buildup and selective pressing to create clearer chances while avoiding unnecessary defensive gaps that invite counterattacks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.